Okay, so in question B, we're asked to find the smallest value of the function 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x plus 3 in the range of 0 and 2. Okay, so the way we do this is we're going to find the stationary points, if there are any, in this range. So to do that, to find f dashed of x. Well, that's equal to 6x squared minus 18x plus 12, and we set that equal to 0. Well, therefore we can divide through by a factor of 6. So therefore we see x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And this factors to x minus 1, x minus 2 is 0. So we see we have x equals 1 and x equals 2 are going to be stationary points of our function. Okay, so we could check which is a minimum, which is a maximum, but it's not really necessary here because we're asked to find what's the smallest value of the function. So we can simply plug them into f of x and pick the smallest one. So what's f of 1? Well, that's 2 times 1 minus 9 times 1 plus 12 plus 3, which is 2 plus 3, 5, plus 12, 17, minus 9, 8. F of 2, well, that's 2 times 2 cubed, that's 2 times 8, so that's 16, minus 9 times 4, 36, plus 12 times 2, 24, plus 3. Well, 16 minus 36 is minus 20, plus 24 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Now, we don't know for sure that this is the smallest value in our range. So what I mean by that is, let's consider the graph of this function, because we know we have a minimum at this point here, but we don't know if it's a global minimum. So our function is going to look something along the lines of this, coming through at 3 and having a stationary point like this. So we don't know if the value at 0 is greater than or less than this value here. So you have to evaluate the function at the point x equals 0. So what is f of 0? Well, it's 2 times 0 minus 9 times 0 plus 12 times 0 plus 3. So in fact, we see f of 0 is smaller than f of 7. So the smallest value our function attains is 3, and that gives us an answer of B.